Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer money from Cash App to Chime. So let's get started. So first open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and select Linked Banks. Then tap on Link Debit Card and when prompted, choose the option No Card. Wait a few seconds for it to load and then tap Continue. Now in the search bar, type Chime and select it from the list of results. Sign in using your Chime email address and password to connect your Chime account with Cash App securely. And then once the accounts are linked successfully, go back to your Cash App home screen and tap on Cash Out. Choose the amount you want to transfer, confirm it, and your money will be sent directly to your Chime account. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime easily and safely. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.